Hello students, once again we are here with our chapter number and their operations, and today we are going to discuss about board mass. Our today's topic is board mass. So how we solve the questions using the rule of board mass, that we are going to discuss today under our chapter number and their operations. So let's begin with our today's topic. So what do we mean by board mass? A numerical expression can have more than one operation and brackets. In such cases, setting wrong order of precedence of the operation can lead to mathematical error. To avoid such ambiguity in answers, the rule of board mass is used. The presentation given below will make it more clear. So here we have been given the rule of board mass. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Brackets also have been divided as line bracket, small bracket, curly brackets, and square brackets. You can see how small brackets have been drawn, curly brackets, the shape of curly brackets, and square brackets, and the line bracket, or we call it as bar. In board mass rule, O stands for off, and off is an operation of multiplication which can be seen in the numerical expressions. Okay. Then we are having, here we have taken an example how we have simplified the given expression. So here you can see we have simplified line bracket first, and then we have simplified the small bracket, line bracket 2 into 3, you can see the line over 2 and 3, so 2 multiply 3, we have got 6. Then we have solved small bracket 30 divided by 6, so we have got 5. Then we have solved curly brackets, we have got 50. Okay, then in 2 steps we have taken curly brackets and then square bracket. This square bracket has been solved out. So first we have solved the multiplication, 12 into 5 we have got 60, and in next step 60 minus 50 we have got 10. Then we have solved off, 5 of 10, so we have got 50. Then we divided, 100 divided by 10 we have got 10. Then after division we need to do multiplication. So we have multiplied 425 into 4, so we have got 1700. And then addition, so we add the positive numbers, so 1700 and 10, these are positive numbers, so we have added, so 1710 minus 50, and then at last we have subtracted 710 minus 50, and we have got 1660. Okay. In this way we use the rule of board mass for solving brackets and solving operations. Clear? Then we are having some more example to simplify the expressions. So here we have been given an expression and how we simplify this expression. So first we divide, D for divide. So 125 divided by 5, so we have divided this expression. So 125 divided by 5 we have got 25. Then second, multiply. After division we multiply. So 25 into 10 and we have got 250. Then we add. So adding of all positive numbers. So 102 plus 104 plus 250. So we have got 456 minus 10. So we have got 446. In this way, D mass, when bracket and off has not been given, then what will remain behind? D mass, divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. So this rule is followed in this pattern. One more example I have taken here. Here we can see that brackets has also been used, small bracket, curly bracket and square brackets, and line bracket is also given. So how we deal with it? Solve line bracket. First we will solve line bracket, that is 50 minus 30. So we have got 20. Then we will solve small bracket. So in small bracket we have been given 30 plus 70, that is 100. So we have got 100 minus 20. Now we will solve curly bracket. So in curly bracket 100 minus 20, so we will get 80. Now we will solve square bracket. So 70 plus 80 is 150. So 450 divided by 150 and we have got 3. So this is the pattern of solving the brackets. Line bracket we have taken first, then we have solved small bracket, all numbers in small bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket. Clear?